welcome back student. Now moving towards the question number 7 of exercise 4.3. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Ministerial Relief Fund. फातिमा और यामिनी दो स्टूडेंट हैं क्लास 9th की और ये कंट्रीब्यूट करती हैं 100 रुपीज़ टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर रिलीफ फंड टू हेल्प द अर्थक्वेक विक्टिम्स. राइट अ लीनियर इक्वेशन विच सेटिस्फाई दिस इक्वेशन. नाउ तो यामिनी हम लिखेंगे लेट द contribution of Yamini be rupees X and contribution of Fatima be rupees Y. बट दोनों मिलके कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करती हैं रुपीज 100. सो दिस इज माय इक्वेशन. बोथ यामिनी एंड फातिमा टुगेदर कंट्रीब्यूट रुपीज 100 इन द प्राइम मिनिस्टर रिलीफ फंड. सो माय इक्वेशन, दिस इज माय इक्वेशन x plus y is equals to 100. Now I have to plot this equation. For plotting this equation, you know that first we have to make the solution box. This is my solution box. Now here I put x and here I put y. Now from this equation x is equals to 100 minus y. So you know that if I take y is equals to 50, if I take y is equals to 50, then what is the value of x? X is equals to 100 minus 50. This becomes 50. Obviously 50 आ गया यहाँ पे. Now if I take x is equals to, if I take y is equals to 70, then what is the value of x? You can take any value. It's 100 minus 70, that is equals to 30. If I take y is equals to 70, we will get x is equals to 30. And if I take y is equals to 60, then what is the value of x? 100 minus 60 is 40. So this becomes 60, 40. So you will see that the sum of all these three values becomes 100. Now what we have to do? We have to plot this equations on the, we have to plot these values on the graph. Now student, here you see that the values are bigger. So we have to take 10, 20 and 30. This is my x, minus 10, minus 20. We doesn't need minus, so we will left here. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. This is my y-axis. This is minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40 and so on. So on. We doesn't need this also. Now we have to plot this point. X is equals to 50 and y is equals to 50. This is my x-axis, this is my 5 and here is 50. So that means this point becomes 50, 50. Okay, what is my next point? My next point is 30, 70. X-axis पे 30 and y-axis पे 70. X-axis पे 30 और y-axis पे 70. तो ये point आ गया हमारे पास. This is 30, 70. Now third point is x is 40 and 60. X is 40 and 60. Y is 60 here. There is the point 40 and 60. So 40 and 60. You see, join these 3 points. So this is the straight line graph. Obviously because it is linear, so it becomes a straight line. So this is the graph of this equation formed by the Yamini and the contribution of Yamini and Fatima. If Yamini pays 50 rupees, Fatima also has to pay 50 rupees. If Yamini pays 30, then Fatima has to pay 70. If Yamini pays 40, then Fatima has to pay 60. So hope so this question is clear to you. Now moving towards the next question. Now moving towards the last question of this exercise. In the country like USA and Canada, the temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. कह रहा है USA, Canada जैसी countries में टेम्परेचर को मेजर किया जाता है फ़ारेनहाइट में और इंडिया में मेजर किया जाता है सेल्सियस में. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit into Celsius. So student, you have read this equation in science class, in science subject. 9/5 into C is plus 32. So you are already familiar with this equation, how to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius and Celsius into Fahrenheit. Now the question is, draw the graph of the linear above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. So student, what we have to do, we have to plot the graph for this equation. For that means कि first we need the solution box. If I take, this is Fahrenheit and this is my Celsius. Now I am going to substitute the values. If C is equals to, I will take -5. ठीक है, then I will tell you why I will take the -5. Now this becomes 9/5 into -5 plus 32. Now 5 and 5 cancel, it becomes -9 plus 32, so it becomes 23. So why I will take -5? Because if I take -5, the value becomes smaller. ठीक है, otherwise अगर if I take 5, then 32 plus 9 वैल्यू ज़्यादा हो जाती है और ग्राफ में थोड़ा ज़्यादा मिलता है. But it is not wrong. If you take +5, you can take it. Now, if C is -5, then what is the Fahrenheit? Fahrenheit is 23 degree. Now, if C is -10, then what is the Fahrenheit? Substitute it. We will substitute C as -10 plus 32. This becomes 5 2s are 9 2s are 18 plus 32. So what is the value? Here becomes the 12 minus 8 is 4, 14. Now this is the 14. If C is -10, Fahrenheit is 14. Now second point. If C is -15, I am taking the multiple of 5. Hope so you know why I am taking the multiple of 5, because it is easily cancelable. 5 3s are 15 plus 32. Now this becomes 9 23. 9 3s are 27 plus 32. This becomes -27. So 32 minus 27 is 5. So it is easy. If I take -15, I will get 5. Hope so this graph is clear to you. And now we have to plot the graph on these values. Now plotting the graph. Now the question we have to take, in question we have said that take the Celsius as, here is a linear equation, take the Celsius for x-axis. That means कि we have to represent Celsius as x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Now it is -5 10, so we will take it as 5 10 15 20. It's 5 10 15 20 25. This is -5 -10 -15 -20 -5 -10 -15 -20. Now what is this? Celsius represent the x-axis. I will write here. This represented as and this represented as 5. Axis C, it's -5 23. That means x में क्या है? -5 and here it is 23. So 23 is lie here somewhere. So this is the point. Now second point is, this is -5 and 23. Now the second point is -10 14. -10 14. So here is the point. -10 14. Now the next -15 5. -15 and the 5. This is the point. So join these 3 points like this. -15 5. This is the second point and this is my third point. So this is the graph of this solution. Hope so the graph is clear. Now moving towards the second part of the question. Question second part is, this is my first part. Now second part is, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, that means C is 30 degree, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? आपको Fahrenheit में पूछ रहा है, तो we have the formula 9/5 into C. C is what? 30 degree plus 32. So 5 6 are 30, 9 6 are 54 plus 32. So what is the value? It's 86. So Fahrenheit में value क्या आ गई? 86 degree. Now moving towards the third part. Now the third part of the question, third part is, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit में मुझे given है 95 degree, then what is the temperature in Celsius? I have to find the temperature in Celsius. I have to put here 95 in the formula and find the value of Celsius. It's very easy. You have to solve this equation. 95 ये इधर आ जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? It's into 5. नहीं, don't do like this. Transpose this minus 32 is equals to 9/5 into C. So what does this become? This becomes 5 minus 3. This becomes 3. 9 minus 3 is 63. Now it becomes 5 upon 9. 9 7s are, it's 7 5s are 35. So C is equals to 35 degree. If the Fahrenheit is 95 degree, Celsius temperature is 35 degree. Now the fourth part is, moving towards the fourth part. So this is clear, it is easy. You have to substitute the value, given value, and find the other value. Now the fourth part is, if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, that means C is 0 degree, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If the temperature in Fahrenheit is 0, what is the temperature in Celsius? Question is, listen again. If the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So very simple question. Now देखिए, कह रहा है कि अगर C 0 है तो Fahrenheit क्या होगा, और अगर Fahrenheit 0 डिग्री है तो Celsius क्या होगा. तो we have to substitute. Now if I take F is equals to 9/5 into 0 plus 32, तो देखिए anything multiplied by 0 is become whole. This whole become 0. तो 0 plus 32 is 32 degree. तो Fahrenheit कितना आ गया? If the Celsius temperature is 0 degree, we get Fahrenheit 32 degree. And in second case second, if this is case 1, if Fahrenheit 0, now substitute Fahrenheit is equals to 0. Now this becomes 9/5 into Celsius plus 32. Now we have to find this, transpose this side, this becomes minus 32. Again this is 5 divided by 9 is equals to C. तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? This becomes C is equals to minus 17.7 degree Celsius. So this is the temperature. It's minus 17.7 degree. If you solve this, you will get minus 17.7. Now the last question is, fifth part is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, then find it. कह रहा है कि क्या कोई ऐसा टेम्परेचर है जहाँ पे ये दोनों वैल्यूज फ़ारेनहाइट और सेल्सियस की सेम आती हो? तो है हमारे पास एक ऐसा टेम्परेचर जहाँ पे ये वैल्यूज दोनों की दोनों सेम आती है. तो लेट अस फाइंड what is that value. That value, if the Fahrenheit is 40 degree, let us check what is the value of Celsius. If I put Fahrenheit 40 degree, now this becomes C plus 32. Now substitute कर दीजिए. 40 minus 32 is equals to 9/5 into C. This becomes 8. 9/5 C. Transpose करिए 8 into 5 upon 9, that is C. 8 5s are 40. ठीक है. तो सेल्सियस कितना आ गया हमारे पास? चलिए वी विल टेक -40, ये इस पे फ्रैक्शन पे आ जा रहा है, सो दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट वन, वी विल टेक द -40. ठीक है, इफ दिस बिकम्स -40, देखिए मैंने इस पे किया तो ये फ्रैक्शन में आ गया, दैट मीन्स कहीं गलती हो रही है, तो आई विल टेक -40. नाउ दिस बिकम, ये कितना आ जाएगा, दिस बिकम्स -72. ठीक है, तो -72 इंटू 5/9 इज इक्वल्स टू C. तो 9 8s are, this become 8 5s are -40. You will say if I take Fahrenheit is equals to -40, I will get Celsius as -40. If Fahrenheit temperature is -40, Celsius temperature is -40. Now let us check if Celsius is -40, what will be the Fahrenheit. So now what we will do, we will take Celsius temperature as -40. तो F is equals to 9/5 into -40 plus 32. Let us check. 5 8s are 40, 9 8s are 72 plus 32. Again this is -40. So student, you will see that if I take the Celsius temperature -40, I will get the Fahrenheit -40. If I will take Fahrenheit -40, I will get the Celsius temperature -40. Hope so this question is clear to you. So this completes exercise 44.3. Thank you students.